Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you something that some students, they make a mistake and it's very common. So the mistake is not differentiating between -2 squared and -2 squared like this. This will give you -4 and this will give you +4. Now why? -2 brackets squared, the square is in everything, so that means this is -2 times -2, which gives me +4. But when you have -2 squared, then only the 2 is squared, not the negative. So this is -2 times 2. So the negative is not squared here, but the negative is squared here. So when you square a negative, negative times negative is positive. Here it's only the 2 that's squared, and the negative is not squared. That's why here you'll end up with -4. Now I want to pause for a second. And what I want you to do, or you pause for a second, you pause this video and answer this and see if you're going to get the right answer. Okay. So now I'm going to start showing you the answer, but pause it and try to see if you could get it right. Okay. And the answer to this will be here, as I said, the negative is not squared here. So the answer for this one will be -25 plus, this is the negative is squared, so this will be 4. And here the negative is not squared. That squared is only on the 2, so this will give you -4, which will give you -25 plus 4 times -4 is -16, which is the same as -25 minus 16, which equals -41. And that should be your answer. Hopefully, while you paused, you get this answer. If you haven't, just make sure you review what I'm trying to tell you here to understand how this works. Okay. It's a common mistake we see students do when they have a square outside the brackets and when they have a square inside the brackets. Also, if you want to look at something else, -2 squared. So that this negative is not affected by the square at all, but this negative is affected by a square. So the answer for this will be -4. So this is just to clarify a little bit more what could happen if you have negatives all over the place. And thank you for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.